Hi everyone, welcome back. So the wedding season has already begun and I believe you may face a few unfortunate hair days during this time. Yes, I'm triggering this point today and I'm telling you that I have the perfect solution for you all. So in the past few days I had a lot of functions and events to go to, and by the end of it my hair was so bad. I was terrified to see how my hair felt. It was so dry. I was not happy with how my hair felt. It was so parched. I faced a lot of hair breakage also during this time. So I'm going to tell you the perfect way to deal with these situations. So I got this perfect hair care treatment for myself with the right kind of hair products which actually solved the entire problem. So I'm going to tell you about that today. I visited the Emmiko Salon a few days back and my hairdresser there suggested me the Serie Expert treatment by L'Oréal Professionnel after a brief consultation. He helped me with a detailed analysis of my current hair condition and recommended me to get the Deep Nourishing treatment using the Absolut Repair range by L'Oréal Professionnel. The Serie Expert range has a variety of treatment options that are customized as per one's hair concern. Now this customized Serie Expert range includes the Vitamino Color treatment which basically locks in the pigment in your hair. Then there is also the Pro Longer range which maintains the health and density of your hair. And then there is a Liss Unlimited treatment which focuses on the texture of your hair and also improves the frizziness. The one I got done was the Absolut Repair treatment which provides 13 times more resistance to hair damage while leaving it visibly repaired, soft and healthy. The process started with a deep cleansing with the Absolut Repair shampoo. After which my hair was towel dried for the next step of the mask. The massage which followed was extremely relaxing. This was also followed by steam which helps to ensure the product penetrates well and also opens the pores which can enhance hair growth. So moving on to the Vitamino Acidic Sealer. It acts as a top coat of shine for the hair after every color service and helps to seal your hair color pigments. The hair is also rebalanced and is left feeling instantly softer, smoother and shinier. Once done with the treatment comes the fun part, styling the hair. I chose to go for a simple straight blow dry look which was topped with the Absolut Repair serum. I absolutely loved how beautiful my hair looked and felt. My hair lines look so much more thicker, softer, plumper and much more healthier from the very first service. Also I noticed that the shine has returned to the hair. I also chose some products to take home with me to maintain this hair texture and made the Serie Expert by L'Oréal Professionnel a part of my daily hair care routine. Honestly, I feel so much more confident after getting this treatment done because my hair is visibly much more stronger along with the shine. I think this is like a perfect go-to treatment that you must go for a rejuvenating experience. And honestly, my in-salon experience was so enjoyable and I can't wait for my next appointment. I'm so looking forward to that. So the Serie Expert range is actually recommended by dermatologists and they give solutions to different hair concerns and in a very luxurious way. So be it the problem of frizziness or dry hair or split ends or hair breakage, they have solutions for everything. So I highly recommend you all to try the L'Oréal Professionnel hair care treatment range and book yourself an appointment at the earliest. All the details will be mentioned in the information box below, so do not forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you very soon. Bye.